You hear this? All I can hear is them obnoxious cicadas. Got to the point where I was putting my earplugs in just to keep from hearing them, even when I wasn't using the saw. All around, that's all you hear. Incessant droning. A hickory snag dropped about an hour ago. 20 inches at the base. 65 feet butt to tip. Should be load and a half of wood in it. Maybe a little bit less. And there's them damn cicadas again. I'm glad they're only 7 years. They sure are obnoxious. Way up about 100 feet in the top of that big white oak. That tree is just covered with them. Ah, this looks familiar. It's hiding in the grass. There's the bridge down there yonder by the creek. Another big old white oak, about 20 feet from where I stand right now. It's about 30 inches at the base. Probably 150 years old. Certainly 100 anyway. And here's this big behemoth right here again. It's probably the second or third oldest tree on the property. Close to 200 years old. It's still pretty healthy, so I'm going to let it go. As long as it's healthy, I'm going to keep it.